guys is again another picture perfect trade by applying the rules of price behavior. You see that the charts came down, tested the 159.80 structure points, and all of you know how many times we have been trading the 159.80, and that would have been a no-brainer trade. Fortunately, you see this where you're 159.80. Now this is quite a picture perfect trade, but if you look at the chart, that trend is still to the downside. It has not changed. We do not have a reversal signal. All what we have is a bounce off the structural point. And therefore we should not consider that as a trend change. All what we then, our expectation is for the pound actually to come down. I need more confirmation before I actually, and this is also the same rules, Digby. I need continuation to the upside before I actually decide that this is worthwhile buying. I want to make sure that this is not just a mere bounce of the structure point. So in this case, my buying point is going to be the 161.25, or it can actually be a little bit. We're gonna use the 131, the 161 as a buying point, 161.37, and I'm going to place my stop right around 161 even. I'm gonna give it, try if it comes below those two momentum lows. So this is gonna be my stop. As far as being short, this is the 160.03, which is also the momentum low, and it is also the market side. Would be, you guys can draw a gift if you want, but we can go short. Can go short at below 160.35. This is still my structural point, and I'm going to put my stop right above the structure point. This is my short stop, and this is my short point. So my short is about, my stop is going to be about 35 pips on that trade. So this is my short point. Okay, so let's put this on the radar screen. We're going to buy above 161.25, I guess, and my stop is going to be below 160.35. I'm going to go short. These numbers are hidden from me. Just I'm trying to, so I can see my numbers. So I'm buying above 161.25. My stop is going to be 160, below 160, let's say 60 over here. I'm going to go short below 160 or 4 or 3. And 60.35, and I'm going to place my stop above the structure here, which is going to be 160. But I want you to see it's about 160.80 here. Okay, and my structure short is the 159.80 as is, and my structure long is the 162.97. Now guys, if it breaks below this, the 160.35, you're looking at your initial goal as the 159.80, and of course if it breaks the 159.80, you're looking at a big massive move towards the 157.06, which has also been as important as the 159.80. Okay, that is the pound dollar.